Yeah, dirty pot.
Yeah. That means that when time ready to score it.
Jamaican breakfast. Yeah, at the 5-star backyard.
Style, you know. Forget the fork. And we have to eat the food.
Hey, Parry. How come I feel not call you pickling?
Hello. We are here. Send me here again.
Yeah, we are going to roast bread. We are roast bread for cool down food in a deep freeze. Make sure, you know, so when you eat big so till it busts. No. The rest of them don't come off.
I can feel them.
Some more big one did the back of me. Where in there? She want to make up fire right there. So curry will go on. Yeah. We are going to roast some bread. Yeah. Anna, like that. We are take out the middle. This stem. Hey, curry. I want a nice piece of bread this, you know. Me a roast breadfruit and freeze it. Be parry them. Me a go roast bread, eh? That's what I feel like the butter do curry. You not go look too more?
Yeah, I've got to look more.
Yeah, I want for bread, but I want to come and put them down. I feel like I can't get the bread for me and Jack curry.
No.
Why you not go through that one here so fast, curry?
Yeah, man.
But parry. Yeah, sit down, you know, so.
And these about the place.
Yeah. And money we all get. You see, from you see me I do this. When them see me I do this, what happen, curry?
And I fly around there.
Worry.
Yeah, I know about brush and roasting. Yeah. Hey, curry, see the bees here, you know?
Low him,
When the curry?
Low him, make him run around you.
Now we make him run around?
Yeah, my show you something in this store.
Alright, good sir.
Something in this store.
So parry me there and that me the pan. Shoot down the gully, I look good. But they cross the road, yeah. So, you know what I go on? We're going to make you know what I go on. We're going to roast bread again. And this time, this batch of breadfruit is going to be for some parries. I don't know who is going to reach here first, but whoever roast them, I'm going to put them, peel them, and I'm going to ziplock them. I don't know after the one who come in. Just bring back a pack of ziplock for me. Just that, me I beg you know. Just that. Right, curry?
Right.
Because I'm going to use out all of for me them. I'm going to roast bread. First, who want to come? 2 hours go on there. Depends if your family big, you take 2 bags. If your family little, you take 1. You can't take your whole life. You go roast it, put it down here for them. Because the breadfruit, then they are then done. Them are done. Then wagga. Rain and write them off. In case you didn't know, rain and breadfruit no friend. Right, curry?
Right. No former friend.
Yeah, rainy weather and brush no friend. If you see me I do this, you know, say me a real country girl. Yeah. Brusha, what's up? Brusha.
Straightforward.
Brusha. Yo! Parry. I better go on pan water go on. I show. I sauce a brusha that thing on come after. Curry? Yes. Ends up when rain and ripe off the breadfruit. Them not that judgment. Curry come back one deep freeze to go well brusha.
Freeze a breadfruit to them.
Feed them when they come here. Yeah. But them a come next year too, you know, because pandemic here, some of them not get to come.
You're going to ready for them again?
Yeah, we are going to have what me tell Curry a long time. I tell them about the whole breadfruit when me did have a St. Mary, you know. I want to tell you so the rain ripe them off, man. So right now, show that so, and show a deal with them I deal with, and all of that.
That piece of fear don't picture. Me don't let no fire, yeah?
Eh?
No, break here.
Oh. Yeah. Share roast. Yeah. Show a deal with that. Uncle Murphy, we have to say about the brush.
Breadfruit are burn, you know?
Yeah.
Breadfruit.
And from we eat to breakfast from man and drink the calming project, beer, water and lemon.
Beer, water and lemon.
Jackor.
Country whole way, you know?
Yeah.
Country food whole way.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, sweat.
You see through town food or some little light something. Country people don't deal with nothing light.
Yeah.
We deal with the heavy material.
Heavy logo.
Yeah, so you see we eat.
Yeah, keep we.
Yeah, when we cut a little fat, but you know we go already, you know, we stand strong.
Lord God, are we? Parry, we have our fear even when we show though.
Hey! Rasta always, man. Rasta.
No chef fire. No sir.
Throw a portion of water on it. Throw in a pot. Put it on the fire. How much water you put there, the water go down there, cut turn in one gravy. Yo, You know, see, no farmer oil. Because you don't throw no oil like that. No farmer oil. And feel me curry now make your shit. No farmer shit. Thin now look like you feel like you wash it as you eat curry. No. And from me do that to my mother. Until she dead gone, she don't stop eat curry. Till my mother dead gone, she don't stop eat curry. She said she got Ruan again can't cook curry game. Jackie can't cook curry game. None of them people can't cook me one.
So that brings us to for make we see if we can curry them too foul, yeah?
Yes, man. Them and
Uncle Murphy, you're the nearest to them. Hold them. Come. Come.
I don't know.
Curry foul.
Curry
Uncle Dad out there saw pain, parry, and all of that. See for me 2 foot them, yeah, me up.
You know, pick them up all there, you know. You just bust him like this in my midline. Just bust in my midline too much. And tear off his skin off and with feather everything.
Curry, me can't manage you.
Yeah, they don't probably look like one little goat.
They say then take time to do that thing, they're not ready for turn yet. You sure, Curry? All them on the way down the bottom?
Yeah, take them.
Where?